Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Dr. Run CMD for yet another video. Welcome. As you can see here, I bought this on eBay or Amazon, can't remember. It's a voltage reference. As you can see, that's the name if you want to check it out. I may leave a link below so you can have a look. Basically, you can check whether your digital multimeters are in calibration or not. Now this is quite interesting because the digital multimeters I do have are pretty rubbish. This one's from Wilkinson's, probably about a tenner. I won't be checking high voltage with it though because the leads are pretty rubbish, which I don't. I only do low voltage stuff. This is a Draper, don't ask me what the model number is, I haven't a clue. And lastly in the test I have Uni-T UT33D. This came free with an oscilloscope that I bought from, I think, Rigel. Interesting. So now let me just quickly show you using this. It does come with a lithium battery, so you have to charge it up before using it. Simple as press the button, press and hold the button. You have a nice little red light. It says 2.5 volts. So let's go with the Wilkinson Special and see what we get. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to show you the screen. It's a bit tricky, we haven't got crocodile clips. Don't know if you can see that. That's 2.61 out of 2.5 voltage reference, which is pretty sad really. So that's that one. I'd say that was probably the cheapest of the lot. We just take these cables out and whack that in there. There we go. These are a bit better cables, a bit thicker, and keeping on the 2.5 reference, nice and low. 2.507. Don't know if you can see that. 2.507. So that's not too bad. That's pretty good. And last is the Uni-T UT33D. Reason why I'm doing this video is obviously anyone starting out in electronics, you always want a good meter. Not saying any of these are good, but it just does show you that you can spend a little and get quite a good meter, good bang for buck. So here we go. I'll see if I can get that on the meter on the screen. Here we go, 2.5 volts. I'm on the 20 range, but because it's a manual ranging, not a automatic, and that's showing 2.5 exactly. Let's go up the ranges while we're here. So 5 volts. 5 volts spot on. 7.5. Basically all you do is you press the button, it goes up the next voltage stage. 7.5 volts. And then last but not least is the 10 volt reference. 10 volts dead on. Now you're telling me that this is a crap meter. It probably is for higher voltage stuff, to be honest. I'll just quickly go back to the Draper. Obviously this is an auto ranging, so just put it on VDC and it will show you whatever voltage appears on the leads. So again, let me turn the oh, it's got a crappy light on it as well, so I'll put it about there. So going backwards now, 10 volts, so that's 10.02. That's pretty good. 7.5, 7.52, and then 5 volt. 501. Can you do it? Come on. You can do 5 volts dead on. Come on, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Yeah, maybe not. 5.01 volt. So that's pretty good. Yeah. As I say, This one came free. You could probably buy it on Amazon for, I don't know, maybe a fiver, £10, not sure. But I won't be testing high voltage with stuff with this, just literally low voltage. Manual ranging, does resistance as well, does obviously DC voltage, AC voltage, amps, has a diode checker, has a frequency, has a function generator square wave. Never tried it. Pretty useless to have on a multimeter. That's what you have function generators for. Yeah, and this one, let me just quickly go through. This hasn't got a backlight, obviously, because it's rubbish. Again, manual ranging, so 5 volts for this one. 5.43. Now that's quite a shame. Let me put it on there. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera. 5.44. 7.5 volt range. 8.16. Are you shitting me? And 10 volts. Wow. 10.89. So within low voltage stuff, I probably wouldn't use that one. But I say this one's from Wilkinson's. Yeah, it's a piece of crap. But it's good to have as a handheld. Keep it in your bag, whichever, if you're out and about. Not that it's going to give you accurate readings, but you know, what do you want for 10 quid? Yeah, so highly recommend this one. Seems to have a very good calibration on it. The voltage is quite accurate, I must say. And as I say, have a look at this again. You can buy this on eBay or Amazon. Not very expensive. Comes with, which is slightly annoying, a normal DC jack for 5 volts. Probably have to rig yourself up a USB one. This was one probably under 500 milliamps or less. I haven't checked that, but maybe another video will do that. So yeah, there you go. Don't have to spend a lot of money to have a highly accurate multimeter. So yes, it has a T1 bow as well, which is crap. But you know, gives you voltage readings you want, then spot on.